we are discussing PYQs of LCM and the theme is simple cases. We have done a lot of problems already. Let's deal with this. Now guys, in this question, see, if you read it, you will come to know that this question has a sense of togetherness. Let me read it for you. Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap. Now, this is a very important word here. After a gap of every 2 days, and Geeta after a gap of every 3 days. If on 1st January, both of them went for swimming together, when will they go together again? So, question has a sense of togetherness. So, we will calculate LCM here. Now, guys, since the word gap is written here, so what you will do, you will add 1 to 2. So basically in this question you will calculate LCM of 2 plus 1 and LCM of 3 plus 1, which is basically equal to LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So they will go together again after 12 days. See, they went together on 1st January. So 12 days after 1st January, meaningly 13th January. So after 1st January, they will take 12 more days to go together. So on 30th January, not 30th, on 13th January, they will go together again. Answer of this question is option D. Now guys, you might be surprised why I have done this, why I have considered this word gap here. If this word gap was not present, then I could have taken the LCM of 2 and 3 directly. Let me tell you one more way of dealing with this question and then you will understand it. Okay. Now, let me discuss the another way. See, Sita and Geeta. This is the manual technique. They both went together on 1st January. So on 1st January, Sita went to swim and on 1st January, Geeta went to swim. Now, Sita will go after a gap of 2 days. So Sita will not go on 2nd January. Sita will not go on 3rd January. So after 1st January, Sita will went swimming on 4th and Geeta will go for swimming after 3 days. So on 2nd January, Geeta will not go. On 3rd January, Geeta will not go. On 4th January, Geeta will not go. So after 1st January, Geeta will go for swimming on 5th January. Okay. Now let's complete the sequence for Sita first. So after 4th January, 5th is not included, 6th is not included. Sita will next go on 7th of January. After 7th, 8th will not included, 9th will not included. Sita will go for swimming on 10th of January. So in this way, you can find out there is a gap of 2 days. There is a gap of 2 days in the swimming pattern of Sita. So after 10th January, Sita will not go on 11th, will not go on 12th. So next day, Sita will go on swimming on 30th of January, on 13th of January. Now, if we talk about Geeta, 1st, 5th, then 6th, 7th, 8th cancelled out. So after 5th January, Sita will go on swimming on 9th January because there has to be a gap of 3 days. So after 9, 10 not included, 11 not included, 12 is not included for Geeta. So after 9th January, Geeta will go for swim on 13th of January. So in this way, you can find out both of them will go for swimming on 13th of January together. So after first, they will go together for swim on 13th of January. That is why option D is the right choice. So guys, remember, whenever in the question the word gap is written, so how to take the LCM. I hope this is clear. Let's move on. Now, there are 5 hobby clubs in the college: photography, yachting, chess, electronics, gardening. The gardening group meets every second day. Every second day. The electronics group meets every third day. The chess group meets every fourth day. The yachting group meets every fifth day. The photography meets every sixth day. How many times do all the 5 groups meet on same day? If you want them to meet on same day, so it means they all should be together. So this question has a sense of togetherness, and at the same time in this question examiner has not used that word gap. Hence, what you will do, take LCM directly. Take LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is 60. So they all will meet together after every 60 days. They all will meet together after every 60 days. Okay. Now, how many times do they all meet on same day within 180 days? Within 180 days. Okay. So number of times they will meet. So they are meeting after every 60 days. So they will meet. Okay, just a second. Have they met on the very first day? No, they haven't met on the very first day. So it means after 60th day they will meet, after 120th day they will meet, and after 180th day they will meet. Okay, or 180th day. On 180th day they're gonna meet. Okay, so just divide this 180 by 60 and you will get 3, as the answer of this question is 3. So they will meet each other after every 60 days. Okay, so after a gap of 60 days, that's not a gap of 60 days, after 60 days. So in 180, in a duration of 180 days, 3 times we can consider 60. So that is why they will meet 3 times. I hope guys this is clear to you. Let's move on to the next question. Now in this question, examiner says 5% fire bullets at a target at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 seconds respectively. The number of times they would fire bullet together. The question has a sense of togetherness. So take LCM. LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 at the target in an hour. So within an hour, how many times they will strike together? Okay. Now take the LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12. If you do this, guys, if you do this, you will find out their LCM is equals to 504. 504 seconds. How to calculate it? You can use this long division technique. 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So 3 2s are 6, 7 it is as it is, 8 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now further, I can go with 3, 2, 7, 8, 1, 4. Again we can go with 2, 2 1s are 2, 7 it is as it is, 2 4s are 8, 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Further 2 1 7, 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. So finally LCM will be equal to 3 into 3 which is 9, 2 into 2 which is 4, 7 into 2 which is 14. So 36 into 14. So 14 6 are 84. So 4 8 carry, 42 plus 8 50. So you can see LCM of these numbers will be 504. So they will all fire together after these many seconds. They all will fire together after these many seconds. Okay. We want to find out total strikes in an hour. So number of times they will strike together or they will fire together. See, for this what you can do, 1 hour is given and I know 1 hour is given. So divide this 1 hour by 504 seconds. So I need to convert this 1 hour into seconds. So in 1 hour, how many seconds are there? 3600 seconds are there. If you solve this, you will get approximately 7. So in an hour, they can strike together how many times? They can fire together how many times? They can fire together 7 times. I hope class this is clear. So this is it for the day. Thank you so much.